Oi, oi. This is nice. This is nice. I never had one of these before. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're all drinking our water and minding our business, because you already know if you don't mind your business, then you're gonna catch old age and wrinkle up. Today's video is gonna be extremely different. It's gonna be like a vlog style. I'm actually going to be stocking Amazon packages today because I ordered 2 new things that you guys are actually gonna see in the video. Currently it's 9:06 a.m. I've been up for like over 35 minutes now, but I'm still sleeping, you know, like I'm so tired. So right now I'm actually watching YouTube videos, you know, like on Amazon nail hauls or whatever, and trying to do my book work. I'm trying to do this 3-question exam, and your girl didn't read anything, and I thought it was gonna be one of those quizzes where I could use the little search bar or something, type in a question or whatever, and it pop up, you know. But no, and then I realized this is like worth so much, so I am actually going to I'm actually going to read or something and then answer or something. Yeah, so yesterday I was like, yo, I'm a boss up and I'm gonna get me a desk. And so I ordered me a nice looking desk, and I'm actually gonna be unboxing it and trying to set it up today on my own. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm actually going to show you guys how it looks, like the exact one that I got, because I went on YouTube and people just be trying to gatekeep everything, and I'm like, we don't do that over here. We don't gatekeep over here, right? So I'm gonna show you guys the exact one, the same one that I got. I also ordered a rechargeable nail lamp. I'm so excited to show you guys what I have, and literally maybe the only thing that I would need to get is just like a storage cart, like some storage stuff to put the nail stuff. But as of right now, I got everything, so I'm ready to slay some nails, you feel me? I want to slay some nails. Like, doing nails is a passion of mine. I never get tired of it. I never complain about doing anyone's nails. Like, I love it, and yo, it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be doing more content videos for y'all. I'm gonna be on TikTok live for y'all. I'm gonna try Instagram live for y'all. I'm gonna try everything. I'm doing beard tutorials, and we just gonna be dropping straight hits. Like, we just gonna be dropping it all. I was thinking about expanding to do pedicures, because I know the girls love their feet scrub up and them something there. So I'm just like so excited, you know. Yeah, I'm just ready to boss up. I'm feeling so grateful, so happy to embark on this journey once again, because I've paused it for so long. I've been putting off my dreams, you know, my aspirations for others, and I don't want to do that anymore. Let me show y'all my nice lunch. Brown stew chicken with some cut up Irish and my white vegetable rice. And I also have me some lemonade. So yeah, I'm gonna just enjoy this. It smells so good. All right, guys. So the package, the desk is finally here. After waiting, I didn't even know that it was here, but we're gonna put it together, and I'm just so excited. Y'all, the lamp came. Okay, let me just, we don't care about that right now. This is my rechargeable lamp. Stop playing. And it comes with a cute little bag. Okay. Stop playing. Stop playing. It comes with little instruction manuals. I never read those. Hold on. Oi, oi. This is perfect. So this is the chargers. This is the nice little Velcro bag. And this is just nice. This is nice. I never had one of these before. Okay, so it has the on and off button, the 30 seconds, the 60 seconds, and the 120 seconds, which is the low heat mode. This is definitely perfect if you do gel X and hard gel, because sometimes, baby, you get that heat spike. You are able to charge your phone in here. It's a USB plug, and this is where the charger is for the lamp. And apparently this bad boy holds charge for like 3.5 hours, which is beautiful because look, yeah, I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. But this is how it's looking. And I'm definitely, when I fix up everything, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. All right. Yeah, guys, so this is the desk. This is how it's looking. I love it. I love the amount of space that I have. Also, I'm like in love with this new nail lamp. Yeah, I got my ring light over here. I have my cleaning products, my Alexa. I have my nail drill, my acetone, my monomer, you know, my implements that I use. These are actually going to be washed and disinfected. I have my practice hand. This is something that I use to record. I need to buy chairs, so that chair is going to do for now. Underneath here, I have my top coats, base coats, primers, nail glue, finish, you know, matte coats, all of that. This is my debit card machine. Like, I take payments with Gloss Genius. Nail lamp. This is my dust collector, my mini airbrush, my nail tips, my crystals and charms, my nail foils. Then down here is my stuff that I use for gel X. Over here is some acrylics, more acrylics, and yeah, I'm just gonna buy some more storage stuff. I'm gonna get in here together here and there, you know, piece by piece. I know I look kind of crazy. I've had like a long day, mostly of just like waiting on my packages and stuff like that, but I just wanted to show y'all that I'm really back this time, and these are you know, like my stuff. This is gonna be my little area. I'm just so excited. So especially if you're in New York, I'm gonna make sure that I have my booking information linked down below in the description box. Make sure you book and come and see me, okay? Look forward to meeting all of you. And it's currently raining right now, but yeah, thanks for watching. Always remember, I'm on my business and you should too. See you in my next video.